Good evening, traders, and welcome to BCI's Evening Market Outlook. First up, let's talk a bit about the US dollar. All eyes are on Fed Chair Powell's upcoming speech at Jackson Hole's symposium later this month. Back in 2020, the Fed shifted to average inflation targeting and more inclusive view of inflation. But with inflation now running high, the central bank is expected to signal a return to stricter focus on price stability. That could mean a slightly hawkish tone, reinforcing that inflation control is the top priority. In the oil markets, OPEC will boost production in September by over 500,000 barrels per day, aiming to restore all the voluntary cuts made back in 2023. This move is less about demand recovery and more about Saudi Arabia enforcing quota discipline and perhaps gaining market share from US producers while keeping Brent near $80. The market largely expected the increase, so near-term price impact may be limited, but sustained output hikes could put pressure in the weeks ahead. Turning to gold, the metal has cooled after its extraordinary rally earlier this year, with no major new catalyst in sight and safe haven demand easing. The long-term uptrend may now slow in the second half of 2025. Consolidation here would be healthy, especially with global stock indices at record highs. Supported fundamentals remain, but breaking above the April peak of 3,500s will likely require fresh drivers. That's all for now. We'll be watching Powell's message later this month, OPEC's next moves, and whether gold can hold its momentum into Q3. That's all from me today for this evening market outlook. As always, manage your risk and happy trading.